Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we are pretty much in amongst the three levels that I'm watching at the moment, and the first one is 3,400 basically. Just above that we have 34,175, and below we have 33,785. Those are the three levels that I'm paying attention to. You can see if you look to the left, that is the range that we were in before, sort of breaking above, breaking below, breaking above, breaking below, breaking above, breaking below that area. So this is the consolidation area again. We are coming up to the downward trend line, or pretty much on it, I would say. So I just want to line up the fractals. Sorry, we've broken through that downward trend line, so there it is there. So we've broken through. I'm looking for a pullback, for an opportunity to buy. But the one thing that is concerning me is these moving averages here. They're not looking conducive to any sort of long at the moment. And with the oscillator starting to grip the upside, this is looking like a pullback for another leg down, and that's on the 8 hour. If we look at the 3 hour, similar kind of scenario. You can see this level here is the 155 EMA is pretty close to this area, whereas on 8 hour you can see the 155 EMA is closer to the middle line here, this one here. So those are the two levels I think that you're going to have to be paying attention to today. So let's just get down to the hour. That's going to be a lot easier for us. Right, so first things first, we have broken through the 155 on the hour. We have broken through the trend line, and we have a golden cross. So in other words, a bullish cross. So for me, the only thing that's concerning me is the diversion. So you can see high, low, high, high. So we're looking for some kind of a pullback onto structure. Now the S&P has got a fairly well-defined head and shoulders. This isn't really a shoulder here, but we have a massive cup and handle. So still a kind of a bullish pattern. So what we're looking for is pullbacks to be bought. And what I'm going to do here is just pop down to the 15-minute, because that's what we want to do. Oscillators grip the upside, don't want to be buying up here. I'm looking to buy on the pullback. First pullback would be this gap, to be honest. So there's a daily gap. So 33,978 is the area to pay attention to. And then I just want to see if there's any smaller gaps on the way down. I don't think I saw any. There are. Okay, right down here. Which does make sense with all this chaos here. Okay, so let's just get back to the hour. So what we're looking for is pullbacks. So there is a pullback opportunity right here, 33,978, which is a gap. Then we have 33,929. So 33,900 would be a half decent pullback as well. And pullback would actually, it wouldn't validate the cup and handle just yet, because we haven't had a clean break of it. Sort of this was a rejection going into close, and now after hours we're doing it. So even a deeper pullback down to 33,785 would probably offer some opportunities for me. So at the moment I'm looking for pullbacks, sitting on the sidelines, not really excited about it. I think the S&P 500 is a much clearer inverse head and shoulders there with a decent pullback structure that would get you long. But yeah, the buyers are stepping back into the stocks in the Dow Jones, so it's well worth paying attention to, waiting for your opportunities. So any pullback onto structure, the structure quite close, all this trend line, it's well worth watching on the 50-minute. Just wait for a pin bar or an inside bar or an engulfing bar just to indicate that it's time to get in, and that would get me long. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. I hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.